Okay, time to finish up this section by rounding up some of the best practices for dashboard design. Number 1, always start by defining a clear purpose for the dashboard. You need to identify exactly who the end users are, what they need, and how the data will help them. Number 2, focus on metrics directly aligned with the purpose. Remember that sometimes less is more, and focus on the metrics that really matter. Number 3, provide meaningful context around key metrics. Remember, numbers without context are meaningless, and you don't want to ask your end users to draw their own conclusions. And last but not least, use thoughtful layouts to engage users and tell a clear story. So leverage reading patterns, pre-attentive attributes, and Gestalt principles to guide the viewer's attention. If you do this, and also use the Dataviz best practices we covered in the previous section, then you are setting your dashboards up for success. Which is exactly what we're about to do up next in our 3 dashboard projects, so I hope you're ready.